तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें, यू मायट हॅव सीन. पळोवन जातकूच तुमकां सिच्युएशन कळटलें आतां कितें जालां तें. दिस इज अ रोड, थार रोड एक्चुअली. सो नाव इट हॅज बिकम अ मड रोड. इट लुक्स लायक अ फील्ड और समथींग लायक दॅट. आतां कितें म्हणपाचें, कोणें तरी कितें तरी हिलाचेर कितें हिल कटींग केलां काय हिल फिलिंग केलां खबर ना, बट इट समवन डीड सम डॅमेज देर. बट वी आर फेसिंग, वी ऑल द रेजिडेंट्स ऑफ कुर्का गांवकार वाडो is facing the problem, and the compound wall is been collapsed, well is been damaged, the houses, the mud is been entering. Who will pay for this damage and all? So it is not stopped now, because it will happen more, because the rain will not stop in 1 or 2 days. It will go up till, I think so, it will go up till October also. So all the residents are facing, yeah, October, November, all residents are facing problem, and this is what it is. So some solution, I don't know what is happening. So it's really sad, not, it's really bad and sad also.
Every year we have never had a problem. We are residents from childhood here. It has only happened this year because of the land filling that has taken place on the hill and done by Rudolph. Rudolph has filled that land with no wall there.
Rudolph, Santa Cruz MLA.
Santa Cruz MLA. And we are facing a problem. My brother is handicapped. All his house, the compound is full of mud, and that is creating a havoc for us all throughout. And this is not today and yesterday. It has been happening throughout from the start of the monsoon, and it is going to continue if no permanent solution is taken care of.
What about Panchayat? Did you
We have
inform Panchayat?
informed the Panchayat. I wrote a letter to Viresh Borkar and to the Panchayat, but no solution has come forth till date.
ते न्ही आसले पळय ह्या गांवकार वाड्या ती आतां सगळ्यो मातयेन इतकी माती चिकट आसा न्हू, सामकी माती लोकांचे सगळे ड्रेनीनी पॅक जाल्या. आनी आमच्या घरान आतां सद्या आमकां रांदतले जाल्यार जागो ना. किचनान आमच्या उदीक भरला. येवन जाय जाल्यार पळया तुमी. आनी हांव आतां पळय फाटल्यान वरांडान रांदता, पळया. आनी आतां आमचें घर सुद्दां मोडात म्हणून सांगूंक नजो. कोणा ही सकयली घरां केन्ना मोडात ती सांगूं नजो. अशें उदीक ही आतां तिसरी फावट. हो एंथणी आनी हो सामको रेड एक अशें काम केलें हेंच्यांनी 3 ना. आयज तेंचे कडेन जायना हें करूचा. कळ्ळें न्हू. आनी तिसरो गौतम येयलो मातसो शेवाल घेवन, तेणें काडले आनी उरलेले हे दोगांयनी भुरग्यांनी काडला. विजीट करा, पळया कितें जालां तेका. हे पळय इतकें उदीक आसा आमगेर आतां घरान.
Madam, now your compound wall is collapsed.
Yeah.
So it is due to this problem, right?
Yes, this is my
So,
brother's house.
yeah.
Okay, the entire water, okay, entered the house with the mud and all the silt and everything. The entire compound wall is gone, and a lot of mud. I think a truck full of mud has entered the
In your compound?
Yeah, in the compound. Okay, damaging the entire thing, all the things around it. So this is very bad what is happening.
Their compound wall is gone, huh? Was it? The first compound wall is gone. Go see inside. Go and see the 2,000. Go and see. Go and see.
तुवें पळय कसली जमीन ती. हांगा तुका हांगा एक ड्रेनेज सोदून गावची ना आसा म्हणून पयलीं आसल्यो पळय तितक्यो ड्रेनेजी काबार जाल्या अश्यो जाल्या हे अशें रेवेच्या काय टिले येवन पडल्या